runners! So we are here right now at Miaoshi Run 2 at Fort Santiago Intramuros. I hope you guys are excited and I hope you guys are ready for the treats that we have for you and of course from our sponsors.
Hello po. So sa booth po namin meron po kaming freebies. Thank you Miaoshi Run.
Hello all runners! Welcome to our booth Chatlet. Thank you for inviting us for your activity today. Thank you. God bless everyone.
Hello runners! Daan kayo dito sa ating Herbalife booth. Good luck runners of Miaoshi.
Hi Miaoshi Runner, please visit our booth, Dermplus.
Thank you for supporting by Fit. Daan lang po kayo dito.
Hello runners, so this is our booth for Aura Splash. Especially thank you for Miaoshi Run.
Hello Miaoshi Runners, visit lang kayo dito sa booth namin, East-West.
This is our booth, Chronic. Hello, visit us here.
Welcome kayo sa Primus Skin booth. We are Farina and Big Runners.
Runners, daan kayo sa amin. Magpa-personalize kayo ng mga methods nyo.
Hello, we are the Perfect Cup. Visit our booth po. Thank you Miaoshi Run for having us today.
Runners, visit po kayo sa Lux White Top.
This the Happy Smoothie. So visit na po kayo dito sa sa booth number 10.
And welcome, it's here again, a fun run. Ang ganda kasi ng concept and I'm a really big fan po of cats and I wish to have one in the future.
Thank you sa Miaoshi Run 2026. Miaoshi Run 2.
Thank you po sa Miaoshi Run. Sobrang saya po ng experience. Thank you po.
Thank you Miaoshi Run.
Madami kasi natutulungan ng mga street cats and also ang ganda rin kasi nung goal nila para ma-shelter yung mga animals and to feed them as well.
Congratulations to all the runners sa Miaoshi Run. Always remember to take care of the stray animals, take care of your pets, and be responsible pet owners. To everyone, have a great day and God bless. Meow meow.
Alright, congratulations to all our finishers for today's Miaoshi Run. As you can see, they are also congratulating you and